Hey guys, it's Nikki and Albert with the 7910 Squad. Today is our anniversary. We've been married for 11 years, together 14. And guess what? We're on our way to
Cabo San Lucas.
I'm like super excited because we haven't traveled together, just, you and I, for how long?
It's been a while.
Like at least 10 years, right?
Yeah.
Me and you've gone somewhere by ourselves, kind of like that.
Yeah.
So we're super excited. It's gonna be super fun. We have a lot of fun planned. We have dinners, nice romantic dinners, lounging by the beach. We're gonna go swimming with the sharks. Hopefully that's the plan. Are you gonna get in the water?
Yes. Face the fear.
Hopefully we're gonna get jet skis. Hopefully we're gonna get some Vespas. It's gonna be fun. What?
Let's go.
Would you get on the plane now? We're here, guys. Cabo, hey! I'm ready to party. We're still in the airport waiting for
hungry.
Yeah, I'm hungry. We have a dinner reservation. So our flight was delayed. So it's 8:05, I think, right now. We have a reservation at 9, so we have to
Oh my God.
wait for our transfer to get here, check in at the hotel, then run to our reservation. We got it. Okay, we just got to the hotel. Everything closes at 10 p.m., so we're rushing to the hotel restaurant to eat food.
Let's go. I'm hungry.
Anniversary dinner in a rush, but it's gonna be perfect. Okay guys, we finally made it to the Vista Roof restaurant. And literally they were turning us away, right? Turning us away, but Albert sweet talked them and got us in because everything closes here at 10 and it's literally what, 9:35, babe?
You have to be out by 10.
We have to be out by 10, so we're gonna eat really, really fast. But it's beautiful. Everything is so nice here. We're gonna have a wonderful anniversary dinner and then we'll wake up and have fun in Cabo. So I got tacos and Albert got french fries and a burrito. I guess
they're good.
that's what
They're super
happens
good.
when the kitchen is closing in Cabo. It's okay though, it's a wonderful
And we're
anniversary
grateful they
dinner.
took us.
Exactly, very grateful.
Super good.
Well, mine looks bomb, so I don't know about you.
It's all
good?
mindset, baby.
Hey guys, it's the morning. We're ready to go explore Cabo, get some breakfast. Actually, we have to go get our COVID test and then go have breakfast, then go hit the beach and explore.
Explore the
Let's go
Cabo
see
San
Cabo.
Lucas. I need coffee
Yes,
and breakfast.
I don't need coffee.
I'm hungry. It's been 2 hours since I ate.
Okay guys, we just ate breakfast. Now we're walking the marina and walking to the beach and we just bought new hats. How do they look? Pretty good, huh? Now we're really on vacation. Got our nice hats on. Can't wait to get into the water. Alright, so somebody already stopped us and asked us if we wanted to get a jet ski and we said yes. So they're about to take us on a boat to this wonderful beach and then we're gonna get on jet skis and ride the ocean. Woo! Ready to get in the Cabo San Lucas Ocean?
Let's do this. I know
Okay.
what to call it.
There's like really big waves, so wish us luck. Oh my god.
Hey, touch. Hey, big wave.
Oh my gosh. Ready to eat? The only way.
See what it is?
Shrimp? Shrimp, right? Bomb?
Hey, crunk tonight.
Hola! We are on our way to go have some dinner at Sunset Mona Lisa. It's supposed to be this really fancy, beautiful restaurant. And so we're about to catch an Uber and make our way over there. Hey! Okay, you guys, I'm like flipping out because this place is amazing. Sunset Mona Lisa is gorgeous. Babe, Albert's taking pictures. We're like in awe. It's so gorgeous. Look at this view. So nice. I know. I want to take a picture before the sunset goes down, right? I mean, how do you not just like take a picture of everything? Okay, you guys, come on. Now they put the fire on. I just can't. I just can't. I just can't. I'm in heaven. Look how beautiful it looks. Oh my gosh. I just love everything about this restaurant. I mean, I would just fly to Cabo just to go to this restaurant. Right, baby?
Oh, for sure.
It's amazing. Please see that. Cheers.
Ooh. Wow, that's really exotic.
Is it? Is it really good?
That's super exotic.
Really?
You can taste the smoke.
Eat up, Daddy. This is seafood ravioli. Okay, is that too big of a bite? Sorry. Okay, here I go. Ready?
Good?
That's good. That's good. Okay, what is yours, Daddy? Tuna? Too much tuna? Is it? Is it tuna?
I don't know.
You don't know?
It's good though.
We don't know what any of this stuff is, guys.
It's
It looks like
mini-sized.
art, though. It's
Yeah.
mini-sized.
Mini-sized art. That's what exactly.
Mini-sized art. I'm halfway done with my one ravioli.
It's like
Okay, so Albert's second item on his 7-course dinner tonight. I got the 3-course. He got the 7-course.
call me a fat ass.
Wow.
I don't know what it is, but
I don't know what it is either. Do we know any of it? Is it good? Good? Or kind of weird?
oh, weird because this is kind of like some kind of meat.
Okay, okay. 7 out of 10? 6 out of 10? Okay, so we found out what Albert just ate. What did you eat right now, Daddy?
Duck liver.
Oh, was it good? I didn't taste it. Duck liver. At least you tried it.
You said try it.
I'm eating this. Bread. Bread and butter. Next up, yellowfin tuna.
I already know I'm gonna love this.
Right? Can't see the view anymore because it's so dark. But here's a wonderful view right here. Ooh, happy anniversary!
Happy anniversary. You want to try to buy this one?
No.
Why?
How's this one? Better than the liver, the duck liver? You like it? It's good?
It's a bit.
Albert, course number 5. Quail. Get it, get it, get it, Daddy, get it. Get it, get it, get it, get it. Get it, Daddy, get it, get it, get it.
Sauce. Get the sauce.
Get the sauce? Oh, okay. Hey, you snuck that bite.
Mmm.
That's good?
That's good.
Oh, we got a winner, we got a winner. We got a winner,
Tuna.
chicken dinner.
Tuna and quail. Reduction sauce.
And New York steak time. Ooh, let's get it, Daddy. I finally got a meal. I finally got one. Let's see.
Oh yeah.
Oh man, that's actually really good. Babe. Oh man,
Really good.
it's really good.
Yeah.
Like really, really, really good.
I kind of want to taste yours because mine is, yours was what, medium well?
Yeah, it's
mine's
so
medium
good.
rare.
Here. Ooh, dessert time. Woo! Yeah, dessert. Let's see. Happy anniversary. My favorite course. Dessert. Hey guys, we're ending the night with what? A
Babe.
latte?
Babe, I'm that hurt.
I know, me too. Oh my god.
Wow.
Oh, okay.
Yes, I have
Latte and
a
tea.
latte, some tea with honey,
This beautiful
some merengue,
atmosphere. Ooh, look at that dessert.
chocolate,
Some chocolate.
beautiful
Some
ocean.
besos. Love you.
Love you.
See you in the morning for Shark Daddy.